Hello. Take a moment to relax. We are going to practice English today. Slowly, clearly, confidently.
Yes, no rush. We will talk like real Americans. Work phrases, daily life phrases, everything you can use.
Let's begin with a simple greeting. When you meet someone, you say, "Hi, how are you?"
And you can answer with, I'm doing well, thank you. Pretty good, and you? Not bad at all.
Now imagine you are at work. Someone comes to you and asks a favor.
They might say, can you help me with this task? You can reply, sure, I'll handle it. No problem at all. I can do that.
Sometimes your boss might say, "Let's schedule a meeting." You can answer, "Sounds good. I'll be ready. I will join at that time."
And when you're busy, you can politely say, give me a second. I'm finishing something. I'll get back to you in a moment.
When someone thanks you, say, "No problem. Anytime. Glad to help."
Now let's talk about daily life phrases. If you meet a friend casually, you can say, what's up? How's it going? Long time no see.
You can answer naturally with, "Not much, just relaxing. Busy with work, but good."
If you don't understand something, you can say, sorry, can you repeat that? Could you say it again, please? This is very polite and American.
When you agree with someone, you can say, "That makes sense. Exactly. I agree."
Now imagine you are ordering coffee. Can I get a cappuccino, please? That's too expensive. Do you have something cheaper?
When you're at the office, you can say, "Let's get started. I'll take care of it. I'll check and get back to you."
When a colleague asks for advice, say, here's what I suggest. You can try this approach. Maybe this will help.
If you make a mistake, say, "I'm still learning. Sorry about that. I'll fix it." This happens sometimes.
When talking about feelings, you can say, I'm a little stressed today. I've got a lot going on, but I'm managing.
For casual agreement, you can say, "Sounds good. I'm down. Absolutely."
To end a conversation, say, it was nice talking to you. Talk to you later. See you soon.
Practice these phrases every day. Slowly, clearly, confidently. Listen, repeat, speak out loud.
Remember, clarity is more important than speed. Confidence grows with practice. You are improving with every word you speak.
Thank you for practicing with us today. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing.
See you next time. Keep speaking. You are doing great.